recording? Yeah.
Is it kind of gross in there, or is it dry?
There's just dry straw.
It's just dry.
Yeah, I thought maybe they'd be in a trial right now.
Woo!
Show me some cow shit.
Ew. Pooping.
Gotta get that on video.
Yeah. Oh, is it recording the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh. That's funny. Can you like zoom out?
Maybe listen to
Or-
Yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out like that.
Okay, she might slobber on us too.
Yeah, I'll do that. So we're about to perform some open, I want to say open heart.
I don't know how to zoom out.
Like, go like that.
I don't know.
One count, a little bit of mud.
Struggling. Ew.
Okay, stick your hand in there.
Going, Megan? What am I
Oh
gonna
god, it smells.
You'll see.
Oh.
do? Yummy! Here, you can see
Stick your
that.
hand way down. You feel like it gets like juicy kind of. Or you
Oh,
can feel up on the top.
Hey guys, I'm like losing it.
that's weird. Okay,
You're good?
I'm satisfied.
Smell.
Ah. You okay?
Are you gonna puke?
I might vomit. Don't do that.
Okay, sorry. Breathe through your mouth. What
No,
are you
because I could taste it.
That's not even that bad. I get it in my face.
doing? I just said breathing through my mouth.
It's when you did the thing.